Hello, everybody. Today, I thought I would talk about backing up your PowerShell profile automatically. So every time I launch PowerShell, it'll take a copy of the PowerShell profile file and copy it somewhere else. You could have it copy anywhere, really. You could have it copy to a file server. You could have it copy to Dropbox. There's lots of different places that you could have a copy. Just someplace off your computer or even to another drive within your computer would probably be relatively safe. I have been starting to develop mine, and I have a bigger one at work, but this is one I've just been using to kind of test with at my current job. And sorry, I think I look a little dark tonight in the pictures. Oh well. Anyways, so without further ado, let's talk about that. So first we got to launch PowerShell. And just so you can see what I'm talking about, so if you go to profile, it'll tell you where that profile exists. So I want to edit it, so I could just go to Notepad and then literally just type profile, because that's the same thing as typing all that, just a variable. And you can see I've got some stuff in here. So the first thing I want to do and I already kind of wrote this out, but what I want to do is throw this in there. So it's basically a copy item, so that we're going to copy this and we're going to copy that file, profile, and then for me, that's going to be I don't think that's right. That's John I, right? Let's see. Yeah, John, not even John I. And then so every time I launch it, it should copy into this Dropbox folder. So I've just got a pretend Dropbox folder in here. So we can save that. Now the thing is, it doesn't. So whatever you change in here doesn't get loaded until you relaunch PowerShell, or if you open a new PowerShell window, it'll reload it. But basically, if the PowerShell window is already open, it's already whatever was in here. So let's go ahead and close that, and we'll go ahead and close this. We can just type exit, and then we can do PowerShell again. And now, when we did that, we have our folder. So just to prove it works, I can delete it. And we'll close that, right? So voila, look, nothing in here. We're gonna run PowerShell and go back here, and yep, it's there. So you could do this a couple of different ways if you want to version it. You could do that. You could put even profile underscore, maybe add a date. So you could say like add a date to the end of it. It wouldn't be that hard, but I guess you get the point. Since I've been putting a lot of work into this and I want to reuse this, and we're getting ready to implement a VDI environment, so it'd be nice if my laptop and my VDI environment could be synced and use the same profile. So I've added some cool fun things, like there's one I call get excuse, um, and it's basically just doing a web call and just goes out there and gives me different excuses. There's one called get-catfacts, which I saw on Reddit that I added in, and it actually speaks catfacts. And I actually already also have it. Let's see if I can remember. Yep, catfacts. So you probably can't hear it, but there you go. So I also have it print out the text as well. Sorry, it's talking, so it's distracting me a little bit. Developed. This is one. Nice. Anyways, so you can put that in there. I have other ones in there. So I do have the what is it, local disk. And I don't think this computer probably is set up. We can try it, but I'm not sure if it'll work. Oh yeah, it does. So yeah, you can see all my different drives in here. That was the one I ran earlier. So I have that one, and I've been using that one at work. It's been pretty handy, and I have some others. Anyways, so basically it's just a quick video on how to back it up. So again, we just edit in here, and the first thing you should have it do is just copy an item somewhere that you feel like it'll get backed up. So if you copy it into like a Dropbox folder or OneDrive or some sort of cloud storage, it'll work great. And or if not, maybe off to the file server or off to even another drive on your machine. It'll be pretty safe. Um, I am only copying the one at work right now. The one at home has the work stuff one has all the stuff that I've done at home, and not vice versa. So, anyways, I know it's a short video, but I'll be doing more. And till then, give me a thumbs up if you like this. Give me feedback. I would appreciate it. Subscribe if you aren't already. And thanks, guys. See you next time.